Welcome to Cathy's Crafty Creations, where crafts can be made and enjoyed by your family. Ever wonder what you're saving your wine corks for? Cathy's Crafty Creations has the answer. Materials needed are corks, school glue or craft glue, hot glue gun, scissors, pencil, ruler, 2-ply tissue paper, foil wrapping paper, glitter glue, decorative tape, stickers, and gems. Ribbon and a small paintbrush are optional. This project is great to do with children 5 years and older. Hot gluing should be done by an adult. The first step is to measure a 4 by 6 inch rectangle of 2-ply tissue paper, then cut out the rectangle. Next, place the cork in the middle of the 6-inch side of the rectangle. Glue it in place with a thin line of craft glue and roll the cork to completely cover it. Use a thin line of glue to secure the tissue paper. Hold the tissue paper in place for 10 seconds to make sure it will hold. Now twist the ends 2 times, either in the same direction or do the opposite side in the opposite direction. Either way will work. Use decorative tape or stickers to decorate your corks. Take a sticker such as this nutcracker and place on the tissue paper. Add stars or other stickers to finish. Another way to decorate is to take glitter glue and use a small paintbrush to add some sparkle to your creation. Glitter glue tends to be easier to apply than regular glitter. Decorative tape or ribbon may also be used to decorate the corks. The final step is to make the garland. To do this, glue the twisted end of one cork to the twisted end of another cork to form the garland. 8 to 10 corks per garland works well. Too many corks makes the garland heavy. You may use the garland to decorate your Christmas tree or hang anywhere you like. Here are some additional examples of ways to decorate your tissue paper wrapped corks. You can cut the tape in half to make it easier to use. Glitter glue can be applied directly to the corks. If this is done, drying time increases. You may punch out small circles from wrapping ribbon and glue them on. Mix and match your cork creations to make a unique garland. A variation of this project is to use foil wrapping paper. If you use wrapping paper with the 1-inch grid squares on the back, use the grid to measure your 4 by 6 rectangle. Follow the same steps as for the tissue paper wrap. Use a hot glue gun to connect the corks when making the garland. Another variation would be to use fabric to cover the cork. Twist the ends as before, but use yarn, ribbon, or string to hold the twists in place. Cellophane may also be used as a covering. For this, use thread to tie the ends. This will give a slightly different look with the cork showing through. Decorate the same as the tissue paper wrapped corks. On the last variation, gems were hot glued directly onto the cork, leaving the back of the cork undecorated so it may be glued onto the ribbon. Embellished corks were then hot glued on a ribbon and spaced 4 inches apart, again using 8 to 10 corks per ribbon to complete the garland. Keep crafting!